Okay, so good morning, Facebook friends and family. I just wanted to drop a quick video this week. Things have changed a little bit, and we are still going to drop the writing book review on the 31st. But what is going to happen in between here and there is the video for this week. Next week's video, we are going to go through some seeds and see what needs to be germinated right now in the middle of January. So, well, it'll be closer to the end of January when that video comes out. So coming up, we have our seed sorting video to where we're going to sort out the seeds that we want to start for this upcoming season, and then arrange those seeds in the order in which they will be planted. So whatever needs to be started in January, we'll go ahead and start. Whatever needs to wait until mid-February, we'll go ahead and wait, and we'll make that video in February. And then whatever needs to be started in March, that video will be upcoming. That may be busted up because March is kind of a big season, or a big planting. Sometimes there's potatoes, and we really haven't decided what we want to do yet as far as the garden goes this year, because we have a lot of infrastructure to build this year. So we're looking at financial planning, we're looking at infrastructure building, and we're looking at a smaller garden this year overall. We're not going to be doing a lot in the way of production on the homestead, more of the infrastructure building. So if that sounds like something that you're going to want to see, stick around. The CatTale Acres part of this channel is about to pick up. Y'all, thank you for hanging out with us. Be safe, be well, and we'll see ya.